Okay, people. So back with the trade. Going along here. Start with the daily. So just looking back a little bit, we had this move down, which took out these lows here, and reacted very bullish, which I wasn't anticipating. Initially, I thought we were going to take out this swing low here, maybe even this swing low here before ripping higher. But anyway, we ran up into this daily fair value gap, and then came back down, so shown rejection, and then closed within the range of this candle here. However, we did create a fair value for doing so, and we'd taken up that previous day low, and it's going down to 4 hour. This huge fair value gap which we're in, and now we've filled that, tapped into the previous day low, which is here. I'm expecting us to kind of retrace at least into this 4 hour gap here. 1 hour, what have we got? We've had obviously this huge leg up, which we've filled the fair value gaps in. But what I'm happy with is the fact that we've inversed this fair value gap in here, created a new fair value gap, and then filled that. So we scale on to 15, where again we've had this leg up and we've held this fair value gap. Nice. We've also got nothing in here that we could retrace into, no fair value gaps. Not really, there's some liquidity vested above these highs here, but I'd like to think we'll be targeting at least this high before we look to retrace. On the 5 minute, I suppose a shift to market structure, but not especially. I'm more just going to say broke structure and then filled this fair value gap in here. Same with the 3 minute, bit of a cleaner move on the 3 minute in terms of the nice clean fair value gap, and retrace, then leg up, and then yeah, 1 minute again, much the same, just a bit more broken up. So I feel pretty confident about this trade. I think it should be okay. Break even maybe this high here, got a prominent high over here, it just sticks out. So I mean, cool. Let's go on this. Again, win or lose, all good. If you lose, you learn. So I should really mark out this high, shouldn't I? Just in case we do end up going up. I think that is, well, I'll use a bit of discretion when it appears, but it seems to me as though that is a good point to go to break even. So far not too bad. I mean, we've inversed that 5 minute, which I'm not a huge fan of. Inverse the 3 minute, it's up in the 1 minute now. We held the 1 minute and then we've not quite shifted market structure, but I mean, we're chopping a bit around this area. I'm happy to move to break even now. Risk-free trade, good. I can't see why we'd come back into this region to retrace into anything either. So hopefully if we'll take profit, we'll see. Okay, good trade. I felt good about that one kind of from the start, so I need to kind of trust my gut a bit more, and only take good setups, obviously. I mean, this is on, what day we're on now? On Friday the 5th, so it's my 5th day, so it took me 5 days to find a good setup, and that's much better than taking 3 trades, losing 2 and winning 1 because I just couldn't wait. So that's my key takeaway, is just wait for good setups. If there's anything else that you guys can see, anything to enhance trade, we'll let it play out a bit to see how high it would have gone. I'd like to think it does hit this 4 hour. Oh my god, right, that's fortunate that we weren't in for that. Definitely something to consider, because that completely spun us the rest of the day now. That's annoying because I was hoping to see it go into this area here, because that would mean my analysis was correct, but I need to start checking the news more, really. There we go. I was going to say anything that you would suggest, but it's quite hard to give any suggestions off the back of that monster. So yeah, right, okay, cool. Good trade. Still, any feedback, let me know. I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.